Okay guys, so today in class you took notes on the front page of this packet, and we're going to be talking about simplifying polynomials, all those definitions that we talked about. We're going to simplify them using adding and subtracting, okay? So the big thing that you have to be careful about is the sign. Is this plus or is it minus, okay? If it is a plus, then you can just add the polynomials together by combining like terms. Remember, we talked about what like terms were. So one way to add these is just to remove because it's plus, you distribute the plus through so it won't change the value of the sign, but the parentheses will go away, okay? And then you combine like terms. And I want you to be careful because we spend a lot of time multiplying with exponents. This is different. These are combining like terms. So the like terms would be 2x cubed and x cubed. So I'm going to circle them and I'm going to combine them. So I have a 2x cubed and an x cubed. It's going to give me 3x cubed. Never change the exponent, just combine them. Then I go on to my x squareds. So I have a negative 5x squared and a positive 2x squared. Don't forget your rules of integers, which would make that minus 3x squared. Use it. When you're finished, you lose it. We still have a positive x, doesn't have any like term to go with, and we also have a negative 1. So that's how we can add and subtract. Now there is another way to add and subtract that you can do. You can actually write them, if it's addition, take the one on the right and put it right under the one on the left. Line up the terms, the like terms, right under each other. And then add like you would with regular addition. So 3x squared plus x squared would give me 4x squared. X plus 4x would give me 5x. And then negative 6 plus 19 would give me positive 13. Okay? And that would be your answer. Either way is fine. All right, so I'd like you to try the next one and then bring it into class and I will check it for you. So you should pause and try that. All right, subtracting is where we have to be really careful. When we're subtracting, I want you guys to think about your stop sign. I want you to stop. I want you to be careful. And don't forget to take this negative. It is going to actually change everything in the parentheses to its opposite. So if it's positive, it's going to become negative. It's negative, it's going to become positive. So if there's a negative in front, we're actually distributing it through, but it's going to just basically change the sign of everything. So we're going to get 4n squared plus 5. Parentheses are going to go away. Minus 2n squared minus 2n plus 4. Okay? And then you combine like terms and add your like terms together. Okay? So we've got a 4n squared and a minus 2n squared. That's going to give me 2n squared. Use it and you lose it. We've got a minus 2n. Use it and lose it. And then we've got positive 5 and positive 4, which will give me positive 9. Okay? So now we are going to spend more time just doing the last two examples in class. But again, be careful with that negative. Distribute it through, which means change the sign of everything. So I want you to try this example. Be really careful, okay? So we have a negative. It's my stop sign. I'm going to think about it. I'm going to change the sign of everything in the parentheses. So 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x. This is going to change to